All right, good morning, guys. Got Lud with us. People said they want to see Lud. They want to see her smiling face. Yeah, this morning we're out actually walking. Not going to be walking up where we usually walk. Actually walking around the neighborhood here. Checking out different places here. New places. It's quiet in the morning, not much going on. Kids have been up. Kids are going to school. Last day of school, they're all having their Christmas party. And we're just up doing our morning walk. So, once again, you guys are coming along, and I'm going to show you this area here. Rode my motorbike down through here a couple times, but never really, walked down through here and checked things out. But that's what we're doing this morning. Going to check out a different area here in the neighborhood. This road's a dusty road. Morning. More apartments back in here. Like I said, everybody's waking up.
Ayaw nga pala, no?
Tell you what, one of the things you really got to watch out when you're driving on these roads, you don't know where you're going, you're just kind of cruising along. You got to watch out for these speed bumps. They're all over the place. And if you don't see them, you'll feel them. Morning. They don't paint the speed bumps yellow so you see them. They kind of blend in with the road. So you got to be very careful. The rooster's crowing this morning. It's actually a nice morning. Nice little breeze. I think it was 73 degrees when we got in the car to drop Hannah Grace off at school. And the sun's just coming up. Humidity's low. So, nice morning. Dogs are awake, cats are awake. Morning, puppies. Morning.
Morning.
For rent townhouse. You know, it's like looking for apartments here, things like that. there's websites out there, but most of the time it's just walking around, driving around. That's how you're going to find, you know, the deals on the apartments. They don't post it online, they don't post it in newspapers, anything like that. It's just a matter of just walking around, finding numbers, calling them, and going from there. Morning, kids. Yeah, what is it? What, 4 days till Christmas now? Yeah, 4 days till Christmas.
House for rent.
House for rent. Rice, I saw rice here. Different kinds of rice.
I like one side. One side. I used to get them.
This in here, that's a, what do you call that? That's Josefa. Josefa. Blue Monkey. I drank there. Nice little quiet little bar. It's not a girly bar or anything like that. Just a quiet little bar. Local bar. Josefa. Josefaville. Another thing you gotta watch out for when you're walking here is a dog shit in the road. If you don't keep an eye out, it's there. And you'll know it when you get a hold of it. It'll stink. Hi, little puppies. Puppies. Drinking the Red Horse this morning.
Puppy. This one is smaller.
Yeah.
I like that one though.
Sweet fruit tree.
Oh, we call it kainito. I don't know what
Painita.
No, kainito.
Huh?
Kainito.
Caimito. Caimito.
Oh, this is very sweet. I like that one.
More apartments here. Nice looking Jeep. Another apartment for rent. A lot of times too, they'll keep the signs up, even though the apartments aren't for rent. They just keep them up because you never know. People come and go, move in and out here quite a bit. So, but yeah, they put a sign up and they'll keep it up, even though there's no apartment for rent. Laundromat back in there.
It's a laundry area.
Yeah, laundry area. They think they do commercial laundry. They probably do laundry. Probably do laundry for a hotel or something like that. It seems like every other block there's a beauty salon too, along with a sorry store. Empty lot. Morning.
Morning. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. somebody was asking, hang on. Somebody was asking about the VFW Post, and here it is. VFW Post, still there? I know somebody asked me, and one of you guys left a comment about it, and that's the VFW Post. Pinatubo Street. Good morning. Post 2485.
Okay.
Huh?
That cents 2485.
Cents?
Yeah, it's like 1985. It's like
No, that's the number of the post.
Oh.
That's the post number.
Building vendor for 2485.
Nah.
DC or
You got this building right here. That's been empty for as long as I can remember. You thought it was what, a hotel at one time?
no, I thought it's a hospital.
She thought it was a hospital, but that's been sitting empty for a long time. And then we're up here on Don Juan Boulevard. Right, Don Juan Boulevard. Yeah, Don Juan Boulevard. Make a left, that takes you to Friendship. Make a right, that'll take you down to Walking Street and Fields Avenue. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this little walk around here in the morning. Like I said, I've rode my motorbike down this road a few times, but never really walked to check out what's going on. Anyways, I hope you like the little walk. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe. Like, dislike, choice is always yours. Leave the comments below, and I guess until our next walk.